Hi everyone, this is Elisa, and I wanted to share some information with you because I think that there are some things within the discussions, not with the discussions themselves, but just in how they're appearing in the grade book, and a little bit about how they're numbered that I wanted to share with you. If you have feedback or you think there's something incorrect with this, please let me know. I just wanted to use a visual to have that conversation. So what I'm using here, for example, is Year 2 Induction Inland Hub. And here we are on 2-4 Fact Inquiry to Teaching and Learning. What I did was I clicked on the discussions. And when these were labeled, they were labeled very appropriately. For example, answer to discussion A question, answer discussion B question. But then again, we have answer discussion A question, answer discussion A question, and answer discussion B question. We all know that that's perfectly fine. It's a little confusing for our PTs and some district leads, however, when we get to the grade book. So in the grade book, these would all have the same title: answer discussion A question, answer discussion A question, answer discussion A question. And since I was getting questions, I said, okay, how can we make the grade book most clear? So again, this is not in any way a criticism, but just one way that I thought we could help our participating teachers and district leads who are not as conversant in haiku as some folks are who've been using it for quite some time. So here we have just randomly section EUHSD. And what I did was I went on sorting and I said, okay, let's take a look at what's here. And here's how I sorted it for the grade book. I decided to go by number, which is typically chronologically as well. And so you'll see here's 2-2 fact context for teaching. I labeled this 2-2 answer discussion question A for the discussion A question that went with the fact context for teaching. And same here, 2-2. Here's 2-3. Oops, sorry. This should be over here. Thank you. So here's 2-3 individual induction plan. Here's the page upon which this discussion A question is found and what it references. You can see 2-4, the 2-4 question, 2-5, the 2-5 question, and so on. I hope this is okay with you. Well, shoot, here's another one. Here's the actual fact inquiry. And then here's the discussion that relates most directly to that. It's either on the page that it's found or the one that correlates most closely. So what we'll find now when we go into the grade book, oops, let me save this. So now here's our example grade book, and as we go across, we're going to see that the discussions that are attached to the fact context for teaching immediately follow that. So hopefully, as you're looking at grades, PTs of course have a different view, but all of that will be combined together. I'm not trying to tell you what to do or manage it for you in any way. However, I was getting a fair amount of questions as to which one is the appropriate discussion A that goes with 2-2 and where are they in the grade book. I hope this is okay with you. If you have concerns or questions, please email me. You can email me in haiku, but it's best to email me at elisacasella@gmail.com. Thank you.